All you need is a few ingredients and less than 20 minutes to make the best sausage gravy. Hey everyone, I'm Dina from simplyhomecooked.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade sausage gravy. This gravy is so rich and savory and just downright delicious. It is so good. All right, let me show you how to make it. You want to heat your skillet to medium-high heat, and then you want to add the pork sausage. You'll want 1 pound of pork sausage. Add it straight into the pan. You don't need any oil because there's plenty of fat in there. Now you want to use a wooden spoon just to mash everything and mix everything up until it's fully cooked. And at this point, you would add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. The butter just adds more creaminess, more depth to the recipe. It's just something you don't want to skip. I know it's already fatty, but just trust me on this, it's good. Now go ahead and add 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour along with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And at this point, I don't add any salt. I always add salt at the very end because the pork sausage tends to be pretty salty, and you don't want to add salt early because then it's just going to be over-salted and it's not going to be good. So hold off on the salt. And the reason why I add flour is because it makes this sauce extra thick and creamy and delicious. Now you just want to mix the flour around just to get rid of that raw flour taste and let it kind of create a roux with the butter. Now at this point, you want to add 1 cup of chicken broth along with 2 cups of milk. And it doesn't matter if it's whole milk or 2%, any kind of milk works. Now at this point, the sausage gravy probably looks really liquidy. Don't worry, it's supposed to look like that. Once that milk and chicken broth come to a simmer, it's gonna activate the roux, which is gonna start thickening everything up. So be patient, trust me, it will thicken up. Now at this point, if you tasted it and it needs more salt, this is when you add the salt. Once it's salted to your liking, let it come to simmer a little bit more for like 3 to 5 minutes, and it is done. Now you can enjoy your delicious warm gravy over those yummy buttermilk biscuits. You guys, look how incredibly easy that was to make. Literally, there's like no effort involved. It is so simple and so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please be sure to subscribe to my channel so you guys get notified every time I come out with a new recipe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.